What's up? My name is Tyler and welcome to my channel. I am going to be covering over the topic on figuring out if a product gets sales or not on Amazon. So this video is geared towards the people who have already made an Amazon seller account. But if you haven't yet, just no need to worry. I'm going to cover over that topic on whether you should buy a pro seller account or use the free one. Alright, so when you're figuring out if a product sells well on Amazon, you need to know about the sales rank. So out of all the categories on Amazon, Amazon has a ranking number for how well a product sells in that category. So for example, a 10,000 ranked book doesn't sell at the same sales velocity as like a, 10,000 ranked toy, because in certain categories there's more items in that category than other categories. So with my example, there's like more books than there are toys on Amazon. So that's basically what sales rank is. So if you didn't know where to find the sales rank of an item on Amazon, you could just pull up, pull up a listing. So let's pick this book right here. It's a popular book. I get this all the time. But if you scroll down, and then you'll see product details, and then right here, Amazon's bestseller rank. It's 134 in books. So the closer it is to 1, the faster it is to selling. So this is a 134 out of like the millions of books on Amazon. So this thing is flying off the shelf. Okay, so that's finding sales rank for like a book. Let's go to like a different category. Let's go to like pet supplies. Alright, random one right here. Scroll down. And then right here. Sales ranks 828 in pet supplies. Pretty sure this thing is flying off the shelf too. Alright. But you can't figure out how well a product sells just by looking at the sales rank. So there's this Google extension tool that I use called Keepa that basically tracks the sales rank of a product. This extension tool used to be free, but sadly it's not anymore, but it's a really valuable tool. Like, you need this to figure out if a product sells or not. Like almost every Amazon seller uses it to confirm if a product is selling or not. Like booksellers use it, drop shippers use it, people who do retail arbitrage and online arbitrage use it. So the point is, you really need this tool. I don't have no affiliate program, but you need this tool. I think it's like $15 or $14. Confirm how much is it. Let's cover my details. It's in euros. I think it's $15. Yeah, it's $15 a month, but you can easily really pay that off with like 2 products. Some 2 products can pay off this program. Alright, so when you have Keepa installed, when you pull up a product, it will pop up a chart with all the data about the product. So, God, why is it so hard to pick a category? Let's do a random. Let's do this Funko Pop Endgame. Alright, so a chart will usually pop up somewhere around here. There it is. Okay, so here let's just mark everything out because it looks confusing with all this stuff on the chart. Alright, so this first option shows Amazon. So this will show if Amazon is selling this certain product on Amazon. So the orange will be Amazon. And then this next line will show like how many the price of the new offers that's on this listing. So you can see on May 24th all the way up to like June 6th, it was $14.99, and then it dropped to $13.95. So here is the most important thing, sales rank. So if you look, so every time it drops, that's when you know that there's a sell. One second. So for the week, it dropped, so it sold one, it dropped a little bit, sold another one, and it sold another one, and then you see it went up, it didn't sell anything, it went up again, and it dropped again, so it sold, it went up, sold another one. I'm not going to count how many times it sold this week because it looks like it sold multiple times, but looking at this, every single drop is a sell. Most of every single drop is a sell. Sometimes it'll move up, but if you see like a huge significant drop, that's a clear indication that that's a sell. So that's sales rank. And then the next option is the list price. I don't really even use this. I don't know. This is collectible. You don't need to use this. But you need to know what the fulfilled by merchant is. This is people who don't sell to prime sellers. I mean, who don't sell to prime customers. So basically, if you don't have the pro account, you'll be competing with these guys, fulfilled by merchant. You don't even know nothing about warehouse deals. I don't even know what that is. Third-party FBA. This is for people who have the pro account, the pro selling account on Amazon. This shows the price of the buy box, this is the buy box right here. So unmark that. This is obviously the buy box that shows the price of the buy box. eBay new, you don't need to know about that. You're an Amazon seller, so you don't need to know about eBay. But if you sell on eBay, I guess this shows how much is going on for eBay. And that's basically it. Well, that's not it. So down here will show like the whole history of this. So let me just click on all this stuff that's needed. And buy box. All right. So this is data for a week. This is data for a month. And this is data for 3 months. So during like April all the way up to like May, this thing was just selling every now and then. And then once it got to May, this thing is flying off the shelf. This rank is not even going up. It's just staying at the bottom for months. That's how you know this thing is just like constantly making sales. Okay, so now you know what Keepa is. So let's go over what this video is about. So this video is about not how to find, but how to figure out if a product is selling. So say you're doing product research and you want to know, okay, say, let me pull up another category. Again, computers. No, I don't want to do monitors. These are toys. Toys and games. Okay. Alright, so say you went to the store, you got this look-alike Mercedes truck. No, let's say this Jeep. You got this Jeep at, let's say, $150. You got it on sale. And you want to know how many times it sells. So you want to list this price, you want to list this truck if it sells on Amazon, let's say for 1 month. If it sells 10 times a month, you're going to list this on Amazon. Holy, you can't even read this chart because this shit is constantly selling. Let's find something that like barely sells. Okay. You find something like in the back. Okay, so this floaty right here. I really hope nobody buys the crap out of this floaty. This is a $145 floaty. Okay, never mind. The Keepa chart isn't even popping up anything. This thing is not selling at all. This is probably a private label brand. Let's find something that's alright. So here's this broom. So for the data for the month, this has sold. Let me see. 1, it goes up, hasn't sold. 2, went up again. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, went up but didn't sell. 9, sales rank is climbing. You could count that as 10, but it's like a tiny significant little drop. Let's see, 11, 12. So that's a clear, like, Keepa gives like a clear estimation. It's not 100% accurate, but it gives like a good estimation. It's pretty close to how many times it sells. So looking at another example, this cleaner. Look at the sales rank for the month. So sold once, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count that as 6 right here. These two. Except 7. So you get the idea. So basically, a huge drop is a clear indication of a sell. Little tiny micro drops that could be a sell, could not be a sell. There's new products getting added onto Amazon every single day. So whenever new products get added on, sales rank just like gets bigger and bigger. So sometimes it'll go down because a new product came and it hasn't sold yet. So which will like raise up the rank for it to the whole category. So that's basically how you find out if a product sells or not on Amazon. If you have gotten any value from this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe so you can see my future videos about reselling on Amazon. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.